The Right Side of Life is a human rights survey to understand attitudes, awareness, and perceptions of the public on a range of human rights issues in the Maldives. This is the third Right Side of Life survey. It is a continuation of the two previous surveys conducted by the Human Rights Commission of the Maldives in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme. The latest survey was also conducted together with the Family Protection Authority. This survey focused on examining the knowledge, perception, and prevalence of domestic violence in the Maldives, and the attitudes and awareness of the general public on a range of human rights issues. The information helps prioritize future directions for human rights promotion, prevention of domestic violence, and assists in identifying areas for more research. The latest Right Side of Life survey found an increase in public awareness of HRCM, a decline in number of respondents able to name 5 human rights, corruption and lack of trust between political parties undermining the success of the democratic process. A considerable number of people felt that gender equality and child rights are not compatible with Islam. Most of these respondents were women. Male respondents who agree that others outside the family should intervene if a man mistreats his wife increased. Child sexual abuse of girls and child sexual abuse of boys was found as a serious issue by a large number of respondents. 40.9% of respondents are dissatisfied with the protection and services assured for persons with disabilities. Most respondents highlighted the most important area to ensure the rights of the elderly was to prevent neglect of elderly persons, and others said it was to prevent abuse of the elderly. Majority of the people were dissatisfied with overall health services, especially those from outer islands. 56.3% were dissatisfied with the judiciary. Most commonly cited reason for the loss of judicial confidence was corruption at 39.2%. Almost half, 46% of the respondents were convinced that the government was taking adequate measures to improve housing services. More than half, 59%, were dissatisfied over the allocation of resources between administrative atolls and islands. A considerable decrease in the number of people working for more than 12 hours when compared to in 2005. Fewer women reported earning a salary over 15,000 rupiah in comparison to that of men. Majority, 80% of people said that they knew where to lodge complaints for domestic violence. Most women responded that their husbands were the perpetrators of domestic violence, while most men reported having suffered abuse from previous partners. It is our hope that with the findings of this survey, we would be able to meet the diverse expectations of the public and serve the people better by learning from its lessons and overcoming the challenges. The findings of the survey will provide a basis for policy making and agenda setting to strengthen systems that promote and protect human rights and the rule of law in the country.